Cause this is the life of a Dadz. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What the life of Dadz.
Yo, what up guys, this is Lord High the Dadz from the Dadz Life YouTube channel, and I just want to bless up everybody, you know, because they've been showing me mad love and supporting the channel, and we're building up the channel. We want more subscribers, more people liking, more people linking me on Instagram, following. So bless up for all the love. We just want to bless up everybody for all the love. As you can see today is a lock update. Today is the 34-month lock update. You don't know, we're getting there, you know, people. We're going up. So you don't know, bless up on yourself for all the support. Some of you have been here from day one, from when we was begging the locks to fall, and now we have more than locks fall, more than shoulder length. We was waiting for shoulder length. Now it reached more than shoulder length, as you can see. Now as you can see, super thick dreads. So you don't know, bless up on yourself for all the support, all the love. I'm humbled by on the dog, because people that DM me on Instagram, yo, them definitely love the locks, and they want to know how to make sure them get it like mine. So you know, I've been trying to help. I've been DMing people back. Bless up on yourself every time, bruh. So you don't know, this has been the 34-month Freeform lock update. Super thick dreads. You don't know, this is Lord High the Dadz from the Dadz Life YouTube channel. Boom.
Cause this is the life of a Dadz. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What the life of Dadz. Yeah, this is the life of a Dadz. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What the life of